Student, today I am starting new lesson from physical chemistry. This is the sixth lesson, chemical kinetics, and in this lesson, in this video I will teach you rate of reaction, average rate of reaction, instantaneous rate and rate law. Okay, first, chemical kinetics. Kinetics is related to the kinetic energy, that is movement of molecules. When reaction takes place, some changes in the reactants and then it forms product, and the decreases the concentration of reactants and increases the concentration of products. So first we will see the rate of reaction. Rate means speed of reaction. We can calculate the speed of the reaction or rate of reaction. So first, what is meant by rate of reaction? Rate of reaction, it is also known as speed of reaction. I will write in bracket, it is speed of reaction. The rate of reaction describes how rapidly the reactants are consumed or the products are formed. Okay, so rate of reaction describes how rapidly the reactants are consumed or the products are formed. So in reactants there are some changes and changes takes place and then product is formed, and during this we can calculate the time, that is speed or rate of reaction. Then second one is average rate of reaction. Average rate of reaction it can be described by knowing the change in concentration of reactant, or product divided by time interval over which the change occurs. It can be described, average rate of reaction can be described by knowing the change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time interval over which the change takes place or change occurs. So average rate is equals to change in concentration of species. Species means change in reactant or change in product upon change in time. That is, it is equals to change in concentrations. So we can use C, delta C, upon change in time, that is delta T. Now let us consider a general reaction. A, it gives B. A is a reactant and B is a product. Then average rate of consumption of A, it is equals to minus delta A, concentration of change in concentration of delta A, that is reactant, upon delta T. And this negative sign indicates that always there are change in concentration, that is concentration decreases in the reactant. During the chemical reaction, concentration of reactant always decreases and concentration of product always increases. So while writing the average rate of reactant, negative sign must be there. Okay, then average rate of formation of B, that is product, it is equals to plus delta concentration of B upon delta T, delta B upon delta T. And average rate of reaction, it is equals to minus delta A upon delta T, and it is equals to plus delta B upon delta T, So this is average rate of reaction. We can calculate from a reaction. This is a general reaction A to B. A is a reactant and B is product, and during the reaction the concentration of A is always decreases and concentration of B is always increases. So average rate of, during writing the average rate of reactant, negative sign must be there, and during writing the product, rate of formation of B, that is product, we should write positive sign. Okay, then next topic is instantaneous rate of reaction. Third topic is instantaneous rate of reaction. Instantaneous, what is meant by instantaneous rate? The rate of reaction at any specific instant, time is known as instantaneous rate of reaction. The rate of reaction at any specific instant time is called as instantaneous rate. Let us consider a general reaction. A, it gives B, then rate of reaction is equals to minus delta और D भी यूज कर सकते हैं, D for short time period, D into concentration of A upon dt, and it is equals to positive sign dB upon dt, Then second example is A plus 3B, it gives 2C. A and 3B are the reactants and C is the product. Then rate of reaction minus dB upon dt, it is equals to minus 3 dA upon dt, dA upon dt, and with respect to product dc, this is positive sign, dc upon dt, it is equals to minus 2 into dA upon dt. dc upon dt is equals to minus 2a dA upon dt, and overall reaction, average rate of reaction we can write for whole reaction, rate of reaction is equals to, यहाँ मॉलिक्यूल्स वन मॉलिक्यूल है, सो माइनस dA by dt, it is equals to minus 1/3 of dB by dt, and it is equals to half dC by dt. तो एग्ज़ाम में स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, क्वेश्चंस दे सकते हैं, उसका हमें रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन लिखना है. आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन. 2NO2, two molecules of NO2, it forms, when they heated, it forms 2 molecules of N2O. It gives 4NO2 plus O2. Then for this reaction we have to write the rate. Then rate of reaction is equals to minus half concentration of N2O upon dt. It is equals to positive 1/4 of D upon NO2 upon dt, and it is equals to D of oxygen upon dt. D of oxygen upon dt. Fourth topic, rate law, I will teach you in next video. Thanks for watching.